Salute.
Salute. We need a little fresh ground peppers. So I'm gonna have my favorite tool.
Oh, that's a very big
handy.
pepper, yeah.
So we're going to put a little olive oil in here.
And the pan is already
It's
warm.
nice and warm and nice and hot. You want to get it nice and hot.
Butter helps to get the bread brown like that. And I put just a little bit of red onion in there, a little rosemary and sage, you know, just to give an extra flavor.
Or you can substitute the nicely diced radishes.
And P.S., it's good for you.
Add a little citrus or lime juice.
So it's lime juice, no lemon?
No lemon?
Okay.
I like lime juice better.
All right, well, what if I like lemon?
Well, you can use lemon. It's easy.
And in Italian, how would you say, come eat your pasta, kids?
È pronto?
È pronto. And this is a real deal meal.